UFOs defined as mysterious objects. Do they really exist, or it is just a man-made mystery by CIA? Are they hiding their secret craft from us?
There's a whole fleet of them. Look on the SA.
Questions like, if extraterrestrial beings had visited Earth, why would their presence be confined to United States?
UFOs.
UFOs.
Aliens might be living among us.
The mystery behind UFOs.
The story of UFOs dates back to July 1947 when America buzzed with reports of flying saucers. Private pilot Kenneth Arnold claimed to have seen 9 shiny fast-moving objects near Seattle, reportedly traveling at 2,000 kilometers per hour. This sparked nationwide UFO sightings. Among these was Ranger Mac Brazel, who discovered peculiar debris on his property in Roswell, New Mexico. This incident led to infamous Roswell Army Airfield announcement of recovering a flying disc only to retract it, stating it was a weather balloon. In the late 1970s, whispers of crashed alien craft in New Mexico desert resurfaced, suggesting that the UFO had been struck by lightning, causing it to crash and kill its extraterrestrial occupants. Major Marshall reignited interest in 1980 with his book asserting that the debris was not from Earth, sparking theories that the US Army had captured a living alien and was hiding it at secret base, potentially Area 51. The intrigue deepens when the legendary Area 51, located in Nevada's remote desert. This US military facility is shrouded in secrecy, heavily guarded and off limits to public. Warning signs prohibit photography and unauthorized access, with threats of deadly force against trespassers. In June 2019, Bob Lazar, who claimed to have worked at Area 51, appeared on Joe Rogan's podcast, alleging that he studied and reverse engineered alien spacecraft. His revelation inspired a viral Facebook event by Matty Roberts on June 27, 2019. He asked Facebook users to band together and rate the site in research for extraterrestrial life. More than 2 million people responded, going, and 1.5 million people interested on the event's page, which subsequently attracted widespread media attention, caused by the event to become an internet meme, which led to Alien Stock Music Festival near Area 51. Despite fears of chaos, it drew around 1,500 attendees. Roberts later stated that his intention for this event had been purely comedic and disavowed responsibility for any casualties. Declassified documents revealed that Area 51 was primarily used for testing advanced military aircraft like U-2 spy plane and SR-71 Blackbird, which often led to UFO sightings due to their top-secret nature. During the Cold War, the US Air Force even encouraged UFO speculation to maintain secrecy. In 1994, the Air Force explained Roswell debris was from a Project Mogul surveillance balloon designed to detect Soviet nuclear tests. Despite these explanations, conspiracy theories persist. Some believe that the Area 51 alien technology fueled by Bob Lazar's claim, though he couldn't provide concrete evidence. The 2019 Facebook event highlighted the ongoing public fascination, suggesting that while many UFO sightings can be explained by advanced military aircraft or natural phenomena, the allure of unknown remains strong. On July 2015, during the American Independence Day celebration, a person saw a glowing object moving very slowly in the sky. After 6 minutes, the unidentified object split into 2 parts. Within 8 minutes, it split into 3 parts and disappeared from sight. Forensic experts examined the video and found no evidence of editing. The objects in the video were compared to birds, drones, or planes, but none matched, leading to experts to identify it as UFO. In another instance, the second UFO video released by the Pentagon was also recorded by a thermal camera mounted on a military plane. The pilot tracking it stated that the object defied the basic laws of physics. This round-shaped object was at higher altitude, moving against a wind speed of 120 knots. During the flight, it frequently changed its position, tilting and rotating. The speed at which the UFOs move is astonishing, often exceeding 20,000 kilometers per hour. While the world's fastest plane, the X-15, can reach a maximum speed of 7,300 kilometers per hour. NASA has discovered several exoplanets with signs of life. However, it's not necessary that aliens have similar features to us or require oxygen, water to survive. One theory suggests that the alien bodies might be adapted to different gases, much like how plants on Earth convert carbon dioxide into energy. This idea opens the possibility that a planet seemingly uninhabitable to us could host various forms of life. The UFO in pilot's video had a heat signature of only 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is astonishing because even electric drones generate some heat. It is possible that just as we send probes and rovers to other planets, aliens might be sending their machines to Earth for research. The object's ability to split into two parts and disappear indicates that it could be an extraterrestrial object. When discussing UFOs, it is impossible not to mention aliens. The existence of UFOs suggests that there might be some form of life beyond Earth that is far more advanced in technology than us. A Navy pilot told an Australian news channel in an interview that they often encounter such unidentified objects during flights. These objects fly at such high speed that fighter jets cannot keep up. Advanced alien technology couldn't be so easily compromised. Most UFO sightings are likely man-made or natural phenomena. Area 51 remains a site for developing and testing cutting-edge military technology. It is not a repository of alien secrets, but the fascination with UFO and extraterrestrial life endures, fueled by a mix of curiosity and unknown. In conclusion, while many UFO sightings can be explained by man-made or natural phenomena, the existence of UFOs suggests that there might be some form of life beyond Earth, far more advanced in technology. Thank you for watching. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section.